Hi guys, welcome back to our English classes. I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin, and today is Monday, February 22nd, 2021, as you can see in the calendar. Okay? I hope you have a great weekend and let's start with our work. So, today we're going to review the topic jobs or professions. As you know, there are a lot of professions that you could be and people do. So, for example, we have the account, architect, firefighter, pilot, mechanic, plumber, teacher as me, psychiatrist, police officer, the nurse, the judge, the dentist, the butcher, the baker, and so on. We can see that we have some of those here. Now let's see if you remember the ones, the jobs and occupations that we practice. Can you tell me the first one? What is it? Is it a police officer? This is the first one, guys. Is it a police officer? Is it a fireman? Or is it a businessman? Her suit is red, it has a hole, and there is water. I think it's a fireman. Yes. Okay, the next one is for you. What professional job is this one? Is it a teacher? Is it a dentist? Or is it an astronaut? Yeah, that's right. It's a teacher, like me. Very good. Let's see the third one. Okay. This is interesting. She's doing a dancing or something like that. Okay, let's see. Is she an actor? Is she a singer? Or is she a dancer? Yeah, that's right. She is a dancer. Very good, guys. The next one, number 4. Let's see. Is he a waiter? Is he a cook? Or is he a farmer? Is it a cook? No, he's not cooking. And he doesn't use a farmer's suit. So he is a waiter. Very good. Thank you. Let's see the next ones. Okay, the number 1. Is it an astronaut, an astronaut, or an astronaut? Yeah, it's astronaut, right? Very good, guys. Let's see the next one. Is it a doctor? Is it a dentist? Or is it a nurse? It's something. She is doing something in the mouth, or some of that. What do you think? Yes, that's right. So if he's doing something to the mouth, he or she is a dentist. The next one is very easy. You can tell me. That's right, it's a pirate. Very good. And the next one, is it an astronaut, a policeman, or a pilot? What is he doing? He's in a plane? Okay, so tell me. Yeah, that's right. If he's in a plane, he's a pilot. Very good, guys. Let's see the next one. The next one. Is he a painter, a doctor, or a singer? I don't think he's a singer. And I don't see paint with him. So he's a doctor. Yeah, very good. Let's see the next one. Is he a hairdresser, a butcher, or a farmer? Hairdresser, I don't see the scissors to cut the hair. Butcher, I don't think so. Yes, so he's a farmer. The next one. Is she a police officer, a painter, or a pirate? What do you think? Yeah, that's right. It was easy, right? she's a police officer. She has the gun, the uniform, and stuff like that. The next one. Is he a nurse, a dentist, or a cook? Yeah, that's right. He is a cook because he has the hat and all. Very good, guys. That was today's class. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.